All right, 10th grade students, another introduction video for another 2-week unit. I want to first announce and make note that these folders are open for you all if you didn't have time or for whatever reason didn't complete the previous units, especially when we get to, well, moving into this unit. It's important, obviously, to read and understand Acts 1 and 2 before getting into Acts 3 and 4 in this next unit. So please finish up this week's 4 through 5 unit before moving into this next unit, which I will introduce. So I tried to make it a little bit more organized here. So I have 2 folders in here, one for Act 3, one for Act 4. But basically, we have our normal learning expectations. We have our introduction video, which is this video right now. We have our distance learning daily checklist, which is kind of like a detailed outline, a little bit more than what I have in our instructions for week 6 through 7. But this is just all instructional stuff to help you get going. Please make note. Not that I don't enjoy answering your questions and helping you all out, but please don't email me like late at night and expect me to answer right away. Like I'm going to be sleeping. If you have questions, please make sure you hop on these Google Meet times, okay? So every Tuesday I'm from 9 to 10 a.m. and every Thursday I'm from 1 to 2. So if you have questions there, please hop on to Google Meet to ask them. Plus, I enjoy interacting and seeing the faces of all of you guys. So basically, there's 2 acts that we're going to be reading in this unit. The first being Act 3, and it's set up to where you aren't going to be able to access Act 4 until you complete everything in Act 3. So if you click in Act 3, it's pretty simple. It's very similar. Read Act 3, answer the guided reading questions. If you notice down below here, I do have summary video links for you to watch if needed. We have our Romeo and Juliet reading right here, so this will just take you to the link. Then you have to answer these questions and submit. This is graded, okay, so make sure that we are completing that to the best of our ability. I do check and make sure that you've answered everything. Once you complete the readings, we have a simple discussion here where we're going to watch 2 fight videos from Act 3, Scene 1. What I want you to do is just simply watch the 2 clips and then write one or a multiple paragraph discussion post. One where you just talk about the similarities between the videos and the reading, and another where you talk about key differences. Okay, so you'll have to post a comment before being able to move past that. We have a Quizlet review and then a short quiz here. Once you complete the Act 3 folder, we'll go into the Act 4 folder, which is just essentially reading Act 4, answering and submitting the guided reading questions. And then there's going to be, I want you to watch this video where I just simply kind of explain one part of this quiz right here, which is basically just the order of events and why understanding the order of the events is so important. So make sure you complete all of this, and then once you are finished with this unit, we will prepare and plan for our last unit, which will be finishing up the play, doing some review activities virtually, and then taking our Romeo and Juliet final, which is just essentially a final test over the entire play. So let me know if you have any questions, 10th graders. Again, I'm available Tuesdays 9 to 10 on the Google Meet and Thursdays from 1 to 2. If those times don't work, please communicate with me on that. Hope you're all doing well.